Amid the threat of the new variant of the virus, the variant of concern Omicron, the DGC has decided not to resume regular international flights starting the 15th of December. Maharashtra is seeking grounding of all flights from all risk nations, high-risk nations. It has also issued strict guidelines for travellers from hotspot countries that includes mandatory 7-day institutional quarantine, RT-PCR tests on 2nd, 4th and 7th day from arrival, hospitalization of all positive flyers, 7-day home quarantine for negative ones. Passengers from other countries will have to undergo compulsory RT-PCR tests at the airport, while all positive flyers will be hospitalized. Others will have to undergo 14-day home quarantine. For intra-state flyers, full vaccination or RT-PCR test within 48 hours is must, whereas for interstate flyers, negative RT-PCR test is must within 48 hours. Delhi government has sought ban on all international flights. It has also implemented guidelines issued by centre including negative RT-PCR before departure from high-risk countries and a second RT-PCR test on arrival. Genome sequencing also has to be done for all passengers who tested positive from all high-risk nations, and a third test for symptoms after 7 days. Well, till now, 4 people have been tested COVID positive at the Delhi airport. After arriving at the Delhi airport, the samples have been sent for genome sequencing. Let's take a look at some ground reports from Delhi and Mumbai city.
International travel once again is set to become longer. And the reason is because the government has now made a list of at-risk countries, which includes the United Kingdom. All those people who are arriving, say, at the Delhi airport from these at-risk countries, they will have to get the mandatory RT-PCR test done. Now, there's a separate room in the airport which has been made where all the passengers coming will be asked to sit. The test will be done and they'll have to wait till the time the result does not come. Now, typically, the result takes anywhere between 5 to 6 hours, which means that your flight will take it longer. It will take you longer to come out of the airport. Now, once the test results are out, it could either be negative or positive. If the result is positive, then you will be isolated and your sequence, your test, your sample will then be sent for the genome sequencing. In case the result is negative, then you will be asked to leave, but the state officials will make sure that they do a retest on the 8th day and you will be asked to do a home quarantine for 7 days. This basically means that the number of hours which you will be spending between the flight and at the airport will increase drastically. Say, for example, if you're coming from the United Kingdom and you take a direct flight, which is roughly 9 hours, then you will have to spend additional 6 hours sitting at the airport waiting for the test result. Now, the government thinks this is one of the safest and the surest way of making sure that the new COVID variant does not spread in the country. This is Aishwarya Paliwal reporting for India Today with camera person Ashwini Helen.
आप कहाँ से आ रहे हैं सर? लंदन से आ रहे हैं। कब उतरे और कितना टाइम लगा?
हम 7:50 पे आए हैं। 8 बजे से 8 बजे। अब देख लो अभी निकले हैं बाहर।
मतलब 2.5 घंटे करीब, पौने 3 घंटे लगा।
सिर्फ टेस्ट में लगा टाइम। टेस्टिंग में 2-2.5 घंटे टेस्टिंग में लगे हैं। हमारे पास कोई हमारा कार्ड नहीं चल रहा, पैसे हमारे पास है नहीं। कहते भी 3900 रुपये एक का है। अब 6 घंटे पर कोड लेनी है तो उसका 500 रुपये है। इतना हैरान कर रहे हैं, कभी सर्वर डाउन हो गया, कभी वर्कर नहीं है, बड़ी मुश्किल हो रही है।
मतलब सर तंग कर रहे लोगों को, गाइडेंस नहीं थी कि मतलब तुम्हें इतनी देर वेट करना है ना, और उसके बाद पब्लिक बहुत परेशान हो रही है अंदर, मतलब बेहद बहुत परेशान हो रही है।
कैसे परेशान हो रही है? आप जब फ्लाइट से उतरे तो उसके बाद क्या क्या हुआ पूरा?
कोई गाइडेंस नहीं थी हमको कि आपको PCR टेस्ट कराना है, और नहीं तो हम लोग पहले ऑनलाइन बुक करा के आते। उसके बाद 2 टेस्ट हैं यहाँ पे, एक है नॉर्मल टेस्ट और एक है रैपिड फायर। नॉर्मल टेस्ट लाइक वो ले रहे हैं 8 घंटे, और जो रैपिड फायर है वो 1 घंटा बोल रहे हैं, बट 1 घंटे में किसी को रिपोर्ट दी नहीं। तो अंदर काफ़ी लोग परेशान हो रहे हैं कि बच्चों के साथ छोटे बच्चे वेट नहीं कर पा रहे, बस खाने को कुछ नहीं है।
I'm at the Mumbai airport right now, and this is where the entire precautions that have been put in by the Mumbai International Airport can be really seen, wherein people who are coming in from the high-risk countries like UK, like New Zealand, all these people are being segregated. They are being from the people who are traveling from non-risk countries. Right here, for the people who are traveling from high-risk countries, there are added precautions, like they have been asked to take care, not to really mingle with others. Also, heavy testing. There are more than 40-50 booths that have been put up where RT-PCR tests are being done. Apart from that, there's a waiting lounge for people to wait in, where if the testing really takes a while, they'll be asked to wait. Also, for people who have connecting flights, if they are in transit, then for them also antigen tests have been put in place. So, heavy testing right here at the airport itself is being done to make sure that the spread of Omicron strain that has really now been the issue of concern right now does not really spread further. With cameraman Vijay Desai in Mumbai, Vidya for India Today.